tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8 with Chief Meteorologist Ellen Baca.
Sticky out there today. Our dew points are on the rise, and it's going to be humid again tomorrow. Both today and tomorrow, we could see some pop-up showers and storms. Live look outside shows that we're totally dry out there currently. Just a bit of that wildfire smoke robbing us of the brilliant blue that we can occasionally see this time of year. You might notice the smoke a bit more as the sun gets a little lower, but it is going to stay aloft. We don't expect too much of it to drop down to the surface. Right now, it's just unhealthy for some sensitive groups. Most locations are seeing some moderate conditions in terms of air quality, so even better than unhealthy for sensitive groups. Temp-wise, 85 in Grand Rapids, 85 in Allegan. We do have some 70s along the lakeshore. Tonight, temperatures drop down to about 70, and we are watching for the formation of showers and storms. And this is another one of those batches where we see it, we know it's headed towards us, but it's also a summertime setup, and these can be very difficult to pin down. So what I'm seeing currently, a few batches of showers and storms that have indeed formed. They're off to our northwest, and they are holding on to some of their intensity. They're moving at about 45 miles per hour currently, and they're diving down towards Michigan. So if we continue to see this take place, we may start to see some of these storms on the north side of West Michigan close to about 3 a.m. Likely, if they move through, they could trigger a few more showers and storms as they push through. And then if this continues to develop down to the south a bit, that does mean it should be moving into Ottawa County potentially as early as 6 a.m. Now, again, I'm using a lot of hedging words because as we've seen with a lot of these systems lately, they really don't behave, and we desperately need the rain. There have been a few chances already this month where it looked like we could see a decent soaking, and then we were really shortchanged. All that to say, we do have the chance for showers and storms tonight and tomorrow, 2 separate rounds, but I'm not necessarily holding my breath that all of us are going to be picking up needed rain. Otherwise, muggy, mild. We will see some clouds roll through as a result. Here's your futurecast. Again, it does pick up on the chances of some showers and storms, especially as we get closer to the early morning hours, closer to sunrise. And even if we see a morning round on Monday, there is a very decent shot we could see an evening round as well as a cold front sweeps through. Now, this evening round has a better chance of producing some strong showers and storms, some of which could have some damaging wind gusts. Tornado threat is lower, but damaging wind gusts a little bit more likely with that batch. After that, our humidity really drops, at least from 70 down to about 65. So still noticeable, but not as uncomfortable for Tuesday, Wednesday. Temperatures also drop down quite a bit. And Duncan, that Monday 99 windy, I don't think is going to happen. I'll have to fix that on our editor. But all in all, it's looking pretty easy after tomorrow's conditions with the chances of storms.
Well, that's good news. 99 and windy would be tough.
It's always nice to see what it could be, right? And know
Exactly.
that it's not going to be.
Always keeping us prepared. Thanks, Ellen.
Yeah.